We're proud of the fact that we strive to continually improve our operations. We live here. These are our communities. We care about clean air, clean water, protecting the environment, safe operations. All of those are a must-have. We want to understand our impact, of the environment that we operate in.
There's been a lot of interest from the public in air emissions from pre-production operations. We wanted to get some measurements so that we knew where we were and to see if there was anything that we needed to improve on.
The reason Noble underwent an air monitoring study, I think the easiest way for me to talk about, I'm a runner. Now we've got smartwatches, we've got all of our different data metrics to tell us, how we're going to do. Ultimately, you go and race and you find out how you can perform, you discover your weaknesses, the areas that you can improve. As an industry, technology is at a place where we can measure our performance. I love to be outside, I love to be outside with my family. I wouldn't be able to look myself in the face if what we were doing was keeping me from enjoying the things that I love.